Hello sir, good day. I'm Ferdinand Urbanista Lilia. I'm the leader of this group, Smart Fire Alarm System. So next, let's proceed to the significance of this study. Fire alarm systems are only effective if they can generate reliable and fast fire alerts with exact location of fire. There is a direct correlation between the amount of damage caused by fire and interventions time in various fire alarm systems. One of the most important things you can do to your family to keep them safe in your house. Having fire alarm system to protect lives and property. So let's proceed to the general objectives of the project. This project, I'm the design and develop a smart fire alarm system that may use on preventing a fire disaster. Specific objectives: detecting fire, alerting occupants, managing risk.
Hi, this is Sunshine Garcia.
And John Martirice,
And
we
we
are
are
the
the
logistics.
logistics.
We will be discussing the materials that we use for this system. First, Arduino Uno R3. The Arduino Uno R3 is the microcontroller board on the removable dual inline package DIP at Mega 328 ABR microcontroller. It has 20 digital input and output pin. Of it, which 6 can be used PMW output and 6 can be used as analog input. Program can be loaded onto it from the easy to use Arduino computer program.
Universal Serial Bus. USB in a full Universal Serial Bus technology used to connect computers with peripheral devices.
Crystal display or LCD. The LCD is a type of display that uses the liquid crystal for its operation. Here will be accept the serial input from the computer, upload diskettes to Arduino. The characters will be display of the LCD.
Jump wire. A jump wire, also known as jumper wire, DuPont wire, is an electrical wire or group of them in a cable with a connect or pin at each end, or sometimes without them, simply tin, which is normally used to interconnect the components of a breadboard or other prototype or test circuit internally or with other equipment or components without soldering.
Resistor. A resistor is a passive two-terminal electrical component that implements electrical resistance as a circuit element. In electronic circuit, resistors are used to reduce current flow, adjust signal level to divide voltage, bias active element, and terminate at transmission line, among other uses.
Breadboard. A breadboard, sometimes called a blackboard, is used for building temporary circuits. It is useful to designers because it allows components to be removed and replaced easily. It is useful to the person who wants to build a circuit to demonstrate its action, then to reuse the components in another circuit.
LED light or LED. LEDs are small, powerful light that are used in many different applications.
Temperature sensor. The temperature sensor in Arduino converts the surrounding temperature to voltage.
Smoke sensor. Gas sensor, has MQ2 probe which is able to detect LPG, iobutane, propane, methane, or alcohol, hydrogen smoke. It can be used in gas leak detecting device in consumers and industry market. It has a high sensitivity and fast response time.
Flame sensor. The flame sensor detects the presence of fire or flame based on the infrared or RI wavelength emitted by the flame.
SIM 800L. SIM 800L is a miniature circular module which allows for GPRS transmission, sending and receiving an SMS, and making and receiving voice call.
Block diagram. All sensors are connected to Arduino microcontroller. We will put all the sensors into the house rooms. Water sprinkles or pump is connected to relay switch and power supply. And relay switch also connected to Arduino microcontroller.
ESP Wi-Fi is connected Arduino microcontroller, the controlled by smartphone. SIM 800L is connected also to Arduino microcontroller that connect also the smartphone. LCD display the temperature, gas, leak, and flame. Buzzer and LED, green and red, is also connected to Arduino microcontroller.
Hi, I'm JRB Alindayo. I am the programmer of this group and I will explain the course of this project. Una, mag-i-include ka ng mga gagamitin mong mga library tulad ng mga software serial.h, wire.h, liquid crystal I2C.h. Tapos susunod, mag-i-initialize ka ng mga pin number ng mga gagamitin mga sensor. Yan. Tapos, nag-initialize din ako ng trash na 400. Ito yung para sa gas sensor. Kung gaano siya kataas yung ma-detect niya. Tapos, string alert message. Yung number ko nilagay ko dito para dito siya mag-detect yung SIM 800L. Tapos, void setup. Dito ako nag-set kung magiging output ba yung yung red light, green light. Tapos, yung smoke saka flame, ginawa ko siyang input kasi papasok siya ng data. Tapos, yung mga red light saka green light saka buzzer light, maglalabas naman siya ng data. Tapos dito, void siren. Dito, ito yung calls ng buzzer. Kung kailan siya tutunog. Tapos, void loops. Dito sa void loops, una, yung serial print line, dito lalabas sa LCD display yung kung yung flame sensor ay flame and smoke ay high or low. Tapos, dito sa baba niya, ito yung functionality kung makaka-detect ng apoy or mataas yung smoke nung na-detect ng mga sensor. Una, yung red LED magiging high siya. Tapos yung buzzer magiging high din siya. Tapos yung green magiging low. Tapos ang lalabas dun sa LCD display fire high. Tapos ito naman yung condition ng smoke. Pag nakadetect siya ng mas mataas dun sa trash na nakalagay dun sa dito sa in trash, magde-detect siya magdi-display siya ng smoke high dun sa LCD. Tapos ang condition niya ganun, same lang din dun sa fire sensor na magiging high yung red LED, tapos yung buzzer magiging high din, tapos yung green magiging low din. Tapos susunod sa alert message na tayo. Mag-send siya ng message pag nakadetect siya ng apoy or smoke. Ito yung void send message, string message, string mob. Dito may serial print line. Dito ikukuha muna kung pwede na siya mag-send ng message. Tapos ito yung isa-send niyang message. Hakdog naman nakalagay na ito.
Hi sir, dito po yung aming miniature at ipapakita namin yung functionalities ng aming fire alarm system.
Functionality of smoke sensor.
Rain sensor.
Sunas. Tatawa na. Hindi na yan, nakita na yung Fahrenheit kanina. This is the functionality of gas leak sensor.
And this is the functionality of all sensor with water pump and SMS message.